Yo, Poco F6 users, this one's big. Devs just dropped a huge upgrade, and yes, it finally fixes the decryption issue. The all-new OrangeFox Recovery 14.1 is officially out for the Xiaomi POCO F6. And here's the best part, it now comes in two variants. First, the crypto version. This one's encryption safe, but heads up, you'll need to format data when switching ROMs. Second, the Auto-DFE version. Perfect if you want to switch ROMs without formatting data. Super convenient. Alright, let's get this flashed. It's quick, watch closely. First, power off your POCO F6. Now, boot into fast boot mode. Just hold power plus volume down until you see the fast boot logo. On your PC, extract the OrangeFox zip you downloaded. Find the recovery.img file and drag it straight into your Platform Tools folder. Inside Platform Tools, open CMD and run the flashing command you see on screen. Once it's done, type fastboot reboot recovery, and boom! You're now running OrangeFox 14.1. From here, you can easily drag and drop any custom ROM and flash away. If this helped you out, smash that like button. Subscribe for more POCO mods, ROMs, and Android tips. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!